Okay, in order to remove this base from these brackets, it's got two pins. Two pins. This little plastics right here. It's got one here, another one over here. So you have to press in both sides, and then each side of the base of the head, the projector is gonna come out. It's got three, one there and two on this side. So there's one here, two over here, and this is only like you have to press in, and this is gonna be the fog lamps right here. Two. It's gonna be these two. How this go? This go like this. This is go like this in this direction. You see this part right here on the bottom? These two parts right here. These two. You just press it in on these two. That's how it goes in. And this leg, you can pop it off from this side of this base. Same with this. You just press it in and pull it, and this come out. So to open this unit takes me like maybe 10-15 minutes to open it. Have to heat it up a little bit and to get out the lens inside. This is the lens right here. I'm gonna remove this part also to clean it up, because I think it was like little like a, I don't know. It's all jello. I'm gonna fix all this, but I'm gonna remove the chrome part inside to clean it up, and then I'm gonna put it together. But yeah, I get this part, this projector from Lightworks in New Jersey. I get it on sale for $90, and we see how it's gonna look after we install it. But yeah, it's easy job. I think anybody can do that. It's not too complicated. It's easy. As long as you have the tools to do that, it's easy. But this is the new projector already. Okay.